doctor, a harem girl. Mata Hari, a woman who would and could do anything to get what she wanted. One positively quivers at the psychological implications behind the choice of that costume.
It was on sale.
Eric? Hi.
I was just telling Eric how wonderful your home looks.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for coming tonight. I love the Roy and Dale outfit.
Thank you.
Well, you are to be congratulated. It appears everyone's having a very good time.
Oh, they are. But more importantly, between the wine auction and the art auction and this evening, we're going to raise over $200,000.
Well, that only proves something I've always known about you.
Well, and what's that?
That once you set your mind to it, you can do anything.
Well, not quite. Anything.
Hello. I'm back. Here, Eric, try one of these.
Thank you.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hello, Brooke.
Brooke has been taking very good care of me.
Oh, well, she always was good at serving hors d'oeuvres.
Costume should be illegal.
Ridge.
No, not Ridge, the Sheik of Araby. Your heart belongs to me.
Oh, I bet you've said that to every young lady here.
No, just a certain beautiful slave girl.
What about your date? Isn't she insanely jealous, as she should be, wherever she may be?
I don't have a date.
I see.
What about your date? Sure he wouldn't want his beautiful slave girl straying too far away?
I don't have a date either.
Two people, both here alone. It makes you wonder, doesn't it, Doc? May I? Thank you. Hello, Doc. Having a good time?
I'm having a great time now.
You know, your costume and mine, looks like we were supposed to be together.
I've been telling you that for months.
Yes, you have.
Dance together, Ridge. Might as well enjoy it.
I saw you talking to that mysterious princess. Blake State?
Yes. Well, she won't be so mysterious at midnight.
Why is that?
She promised to take off her mask.
Really?
Should be interesting, too.
You better watch out. You know what they say about having too many irons in the fire.
Mind if I cut in?
Case in point.
What does that mean? Never mind.